Did you know the greatest general in Islamic history was fired mid-battle and just kept fighting as a regular soldier? Khalid ibn al-Walid never lost a single battle, not one. He fought over 100 engagements and won every single time. The Prophet Muhammad himself gave him a title, Sword of God. But in 636 AD, during the conquest of Syria, Caliph Umar stripped him of command without warning. Right in the middle of an active campaign, he handed leadership to Abu Ubaidah and sent word to Khalid on the spot. Khalid could have protested. He had every reason to. He was irreplaceable and he knew it. Instead, he took off his commander's armor, picked up his sword, and kept fighting as a regular foot soldier. No argument, no tantrum. The army won anyway. He spent the rest of his life in relative quiet and died in bed, not the battlefield he always wanted. They say he wept at the end, not from regret, but because he never got the death he felt he deserved. The most dangerous man of his age, undone by his own obedience.